Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a water pump replacement. This water pump was completely dead and it was not letting water pass through the entire system. And as I was checking in here, the three-way valve, as you can see, the gaskets of it just disintegrated and started getting inside the valve itself, and it was not letting water push through properly through the entire system. We had to replace the three-way valve, put a new one in there, and also put a new water pump, as this one has a lot of scale build up and it's from 2015 and it's no longer working. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this beautiful machine, and then we're going to be using the hot water and then the steam. We're grinding on the 20 setting of this machine, and we're using our test coffee, so let's see how it goes. Now the machine is going to do 8 seconds approximately of pre-infusion, and once it does that, it will start the extraction process by pushing water through the entire boiler and into the portafilter and then to the cup, just like that. It's pouring up a little bit fast, probably because we are using our test coffee. It's a little bit old at this point. You probably need to be grinded at maybe the 17 setting of this machine, so that way we can have a nice steady shot. But being grinded at the 20 setting of this machine, we still got a little bit of crema and a good quantity as well of espresso coming out from the machine. Hot water, as you can see, from the other side. Steady stream coming out of there. Working the way it's supposed to, and steam. As you can see, steaming properly. Great pressure. Working perfectly. Working great. So there you have it. Breville Oracle working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.